Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Explorer. I just wanted to make a quick channel update video to let everybody know that I will be at BlockShow Americas 2018. It is held on August 20 to 21 at the Venetian in Las Vegas. I'm really excited to go as this will be my very first crypto related conference. Sorry for the scrolling. I really don't know what to expect, but I do hope to cover as much as I can for the channel. As you can see here, some of their guests. One in particular that stands out for me, a couple actually, like Tone Vase, Ivan from Ivan on Tech. I actually bought a couple of his courses for blockchain and programming on blockchain. I still have to finish them up though. And I think there's more. If you refresh this, it seems like it could be the same people. Let's try one more time here. Refresh it. It's hard to say. I kind of wish they didn't do that in a way so that we could see how many folks are actually going. I guess this could be the list of everybody, but yeah, so like at this time when I refreshed it here, Ivan from Ivan on Tech is not here, so kind of wish they just made a comprehensive list of guests on their site, but yeah, it is what it is. So let's see here. They have these prices for but there's a lot of deals out there. Like I've seen deals where you can get tickets to the conference as low as $88, or they even free where they give it away. So just be on the lookout for deals if anyone's still interested in going. It is powered by Cointelegraph. So this news site Cointelegraph is behind BlockShow, and it is gonna be in 25 days. So let's check out the agenda over here. It is only 2 days, so and it doesn't seem like to have activities after 6 or so, as you can see. But there are a couple of items on the agenda that I'm looking forward to attending or listening in on. One is blockchain is seen from major institutions perspective. Kind of want to go see that. Another one is yeah, enemies of the blockchain, crypto versus Wall Street, and I think, let's see, this one, oh yeah, the pitch session by BlockShow, where you can meet brand new projects presenting themselves to the audience. So that'd be kind of fun to watch. And this one, democracy on the blockchain, voting and elections. But I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot more. There's vendors over there. Hopefully we can see whatever they're presenting, the exhibitors I mean. So that should be very interesting. Let's go to BlockShow Oscar. So I guess that has to do with this pitch session. Maybe they're hand in hand. Oh, here, and we have prior videos from Europe in 2018 and Asia of last year. Not sure if this is, let's just play a little bit. From the looks of it, if it's anything like this show from Europe, it should be pretty interesting. I mean, large crowds. And let's see here. Let's go click on here and look at Europe, which just finished in May, I believe. Here we go. Let's go back. Here we go. Europe 2018. And there's just, I guess, a little promo video after the fact. to kind of give us something to look forward to what could possibly happen in the Las Vegas show. So anyway, it looks pretty interesting, pretty exciting. I'm pretty excited to go. I hope to learn a lot, hope to see a lot of things, and really expand my horizons with blockchain here. Anyway, that is it. Thanks for watching.